Element Airsoft.
I like those bushes though. They can possibly shoot. Everyone pulls up. Do I want to run? I don't know if I want to run.
Tristan, we're going this way. Yeah. Hey, I want to set up in this building here. Cause there's, Evan, there's the church in front of us. Are you guys good?
Yeah.
Greg, you guys good? All right. Hey, you got contact right there. Down the alley. They're shooting at us this direction. You see him?
Oh, we have it, though.
Evan's in there. Oh, so he went that way. Evan's in the building. No, hey. They're shooting through the window.
Can you hear? I'm gonna move left.
All right. Yo, Greg, where you at? Oh, there he is. Never mind, Greg. I see you. Never mind. Where at? Hey, who needs the medic? Who needs the medic? Anybody?
Are we in the church yet, guys?
Austin.
I got a pistol.
Give him this.
Where at? Who needs the medic? Is he shooting? Where?
Are we allowed to drag wounded?
I am.
We can drag wounded.
Where? Jake, hold your fire. Get in here.
Guys, we have church you can put in further up. Just walk up.
Hey, where's it at? Where's it?
What does it do with the pistol?
Hey, free the medic in here. Anyone?
Yeah, this guy, he's shooting someone right now.
There you go. Who needs the medic in here?
Right here.
You got one? Come in! Shit. Sorry if this is a little tight. Is that good? Yeah. Good? Down.
Someone on that back corner, like that? I don't know, like behind the building? Yeah, like
Sorry, this is tight.
Nope, we're good.
Clear. Fun. Hey Jake, how are we looking up there?
Hey, you see that fence?
Other side of this wall,
Yeah.
ours is there.
Hey,
We're in the corner too, so we're looking.
can you get an angle on this doorway here?
They are non-aggressive at the moment.
Copy that.
Is it safe through these windows?
No.
Wow.
Not with like half and half.
Alright, I just don't want you to drop one down on my head.
Yep.
Hey, Adam.
I'm gonna go around and come back.
Great, sir.
Yeah.
We have a guy on the corner behind you to the left.
Yeah, what?
We have boys on the outside of this building. We do.
Friendly?
Yeah, Roger, okay.
I got.
Last time I checked, we did. We got Sam pushing on that side too, so we're looking okay.
I saw one in that doorway straight ahead. He just popped back down his bow.
Hold on to it.
All right side.
What? Do we have a medic in there?
Yeah.
Yeah, we got a medic in here.
Is that?
That's not a
You
medic.
good?
Yeah, he is
Okay.
a medic. He didn't know what he come in there. Dangerous job being a war doctor. Now the waiting game.
I know.
I've seen a lot of our guys moving up, but I'm not seeing any going back.
Yeah, we moved this to
Where you guys at? I think
Yeah.
you push back to the church yet?
I am inside the church. I got 4 of our guys with us, plus other additional friendlies.
I did see a truck moving back there, so I
Truck?
one in the next 5-10 minutes.
Copy that. Thanks.
Roger that.
Austin, we got Greg on our right side.
You see that guy straight ahead, right? You see him, doorway?
10 team controls! 6 minutes left!
Don't tell him.
6 minutes!
Greg, do you have additional help on in your building? Is it just you? All right.
I have a grenade launcher if you want one.
No. If this building, if they get a rocket in here, we're all gone.
Yeah, I got you.
Honestly, I don't think they'll push us even if they were able to get a rocket in here.
We got enough guys behind. They'll pull in. We should be okay. Unless they somehow manage to back wall with the rocket.
Hey Evans, where'd you go?
We got a guy right here in this gray building right in front. Hold on. No, this gray building right in front. 2 of them. No, I don't have visual on there. Oh, there's a dude close.
Jake.
Building.
Jake, that building in front of us, looking at you right now. Watch out. Hey, straight ahead.
Yeah, I got one.
See him? Sorry. Stay away!
Good?
Yeah, it worked fine.
One more just crossed. He's behind that building straight ahead.
All right.
He's going in the back door.
Hey Greg, how's it going?
Oh, my bad. I usually have it for my like fucking speed loader for my
Yeah, I'm keeping all I've seen are 10 guys moving up. Nobody moving back.
No, they wouldn't let me.
That window you got has a real good view there.
You could shoot like 370 or 470, not even like a sniper. So I couldn't use it whatsoever.
The guy can see you. If I look straight out this way.
Right here?
Yeah, he's behind one of those benches.
We got 2 guys up here.
2 guys moving right, 3 guys moving right.
What?
So we got 2 of our friendlies
This
right
building
here.
right here.
But it doesn't make sense to get there. Greg! 3 guys just moved into that building you're looking at. Yeah.
10 team controls!
Just me.
3 minutes left!
I don't know if that's where that went or not.
Yep. Hey buddy, I wouldn't stand there. Ooh, that's close.
Of course, as soon as there's a dude like right in front of me, they're shooting blanks.
Oh shit, technical inbound, guys.
Austin. Technical coming this way.
Jake, grenade launcher. Get your grenade launcher ready. There's a car coming.
Move it left side.
Sorry, just fuck off.
Don't get.
Austin, come on, it's on this side.
Yeah, that's fine.
Hey, I got shadows in this building in front of me here. There's another. Yeah. Woo. God damn it. Hit. No, I just got hit. I just got hit. Hey, you need a medic in here!
1 minute!
Big rip.
Yep. Medic! Inside the church! Help!
Time. What's our bleed time?
90 seconds.
That'd be really hard to track. What? If you had a bleed time?
Yeah.
Or a stopwatch?
Everyone has a stopwatch.
Or just we buy a $10 megaphone and get a cell phone.
Yeah. Yeah, that works.
I might donate one. There's already
I'm just gonna respawn. Get back here. Magazine.
GG on the mag.
Yeah, it fell on my pistol. Yes, Greg, get him.
There we go. Howdy. Love the shirt. Thank you. My third compliment. Kentucky? That was cool.
There's that rocket. We're gonna launch. I'll go pick it up.
Yeah. Yep. Which inside?